Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a common problem faced by macOS users, the need to unlock their keychain. Imagine being in a rush to access your saved passwords or certificates, only to be blocked by a locked keychain. Frustrating, right? Well, fret not, as we're here to unravel the solution to this pesky problem. Let's get started. Now, let's delve into the solution for unlocking a macOS user's keychain. By utilizing the Security Unlock-keychain command with the H flag, we can uncover the available options. The output reveals that we can utilize the P flag followed by a password to unlock the keychain, or alternatively, the U flag to proceed without a password. However, it's important to note that using the P option is deemed insecure. Remember, the primary goal is to unlock the specified keychain and facilitate seamless access to your credentials. To wrap things up, we've successfully uncovered the mystery behind unlocking a macOS user's keychain. By leveraging the Security Unlock-keychain command with the appropriate flags, you can swiftly regain access to your crucial data without breaking a sweat. Remember, convenience is key when it comes to managing your keychain. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy scripting.